Welcome to the first engine overview video for Valpine Studios' current game project. My name is Dan and I'm going to give you a quick look at the engine. Everything is being written in C++ from the ground up with SFML for graphics and input. It currently runs on the Windows and Linux platforms, and eventually it will run on Mac as well. The plan is to develop a top-down action game. At the moment, the world is viewed with a top-down perspective, but I would like to add orthographic features someday. The player can be moved in 8 regular directions, which means that entities are not fixed to per tile movement. I have spent a lot of time perfecting the collision system. It only works with axis-aligned bounding boxes, but I hope to add circles someday. Tiles on the map can have collision enabled or disabled. As you can see, the water has collision enabled, so I cannot walk on it. The same is true for the walls of this building. If an object is moving excessively fast, a sweep test will be performed. If the sweep test discovers any other bodies in the path of the object moving, then the object will be moved in increments. This prevents fast-moving objects such as bullets from passing through walls without registering a hit. For an example, I will set the speed multiplier to 25 times, which is about as fast as a bullet or other projectile would move. With the sweep test enabled, I cannot pass through this skinny wall here. However, if I disable the sweep test, I will pass right through the wall. The sweep test is slightly more expensive as far as processing time, but the game would seem very unrealistic without it. The collision system also prioritizes collisions based on the distance between the two bodies colliding. If a body is colliding with 2 or more bodies, the closest body's collision will be resolved before the others. This makes it possible for the player to slide across walls made of tiles without getting stuck on the seams. The bottom right of the screen displays info about the player's inventory. If I walk on these grenades lying here, they will automatically be picked up by the player. By pressing X, I can drop one of the active objects. The active object is basically the active inventory slot. So if I pick up another type of item, such as these potions here, they will be put into another inventory slot. By pressing C, I can cycle the active object to show the potions, and X to drop them. Objects don't currently have any functionality, but this is how the inventory system works right now. When I pick up this pistol, it shows that I have 1 pistol. If I pick up another pistol, nothing seems to change. This is because weapons have been given the property to be non-combinable. Therefore, if I cycle through the inventory once more, it will still show that I have 1 pistol. This is because the second pistol was put into a second inventory slot. This can be sort of confusing at the moment, but eventually this will be streamlined to make more sense. That's it for the first engine overview. To learn more about the latest development news, check out our website at valpinestudios.com.